friends, it's Yeva and Alex. We're back at our allotment garden, and today I want to work on creating a flower bed. So I have some old fencing, I'll show you that in a second, which I want to use for the flower bed, and I'll show you where we're planning to do it, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's the end of September and we're really working on a limited time of sun.
Daylight.
Yeah, daylight. So we do need to enjoy it as much as we can.
So while Yo is gonna be working on the flower beds, I myself am gonna continue working on the bed that we started a couple of days ago. Yeah, there's always stuff to do. There's compost that needs to be flipped.
Yeah, don't know if we'll manage to do much today, but we'll do our best. So cheers, and let's stop blubbering and
get back to work, or to drinking tea.
Yeah, and just get to working while we have the sunshine. And speak to you soon. So these are the fences I've mentioned, and I will be reusing them for my flower beds. I know they're not in great condition, some of them are pretty rotten, but I think it's gonna do the job, at least for this year. So yeah, I'm gonna reuse those. And I do have a stick already. This is gonna be my guide. That's the length of the side that I want. So previously these fences were just alongside the fence, so they were just over here, and I just pulled them out because I don't think this, whatever this is, it's not salvageable, so we're gonna dig that out anyways. And this is the place where I want to put the first flower bed, so it's just on the side of the shed, and this is the path where you walk into the allotment, so it's going to be just over here. And yeah, I do need to tighten up the fence over here before I can start building the flower bed.
Because I wanna talk to you. Are you ever gonna do the things that you said you're gonna do? Are you gonna say the things that you never say? Or will this end up being the same as every other day? You keep your voice in your own mind, you never speak out loud. Stay silent, cause anything you say is gonna end up being ignored, which will only ruin your day. Don't end up being that way every time you wanna speak. Charge your words with power so they don't come out so weak. Make a point, let them know that you exist. You have an opportunity that shouldn't go unmissed. It's called a voice to be heard. You've gotta make it count. Anything you have to say, you've gotta get it out. Think about all the thoughts inside your head. Think about all the things that they have said. Think about all the things that you have heard. 2 and 2 makes 10. It's so absurd. Think about what everyone will say. Are you sure you want to carry on that way? Think about just
There we go. This is what I'm planting into this newly made flower bed, which you probably can't see because it's already pretty dark. Nope, still very dark. Yep. Progress on this side. To see a visual progress inspires you. Well done. Bing bong.
Skies above and a fire in my bones. I leave behind the lies I've told. You can find me in the wilderness, raising up the dreams I've lost. Feet upon the ground and my heart broke open wide. Nowhere left for me to hide, and I will sleep under the stars till the walls cry my name. And I will not be afraid, 'cause I know the sun will rise again. I will make friends with the devil, giving back for what he takes. And I'll shake myself from the chases that day breaks. Oh, you can find me in the wilderness, drinking from the river stream, with my hair undone.
Hi guys, so today is the day when we decided to finish the second bed. It actually took us quite a while to dig everything up, probably like 4 hours in total for this small plot. Fortunately, or maybe unfortunately for us, we decided to expand it a little bit, and that gap where we decided to expand it, it wasn't really maintained over the years, so it had a lot of roots in there. So it took me pretty much the same amount of time comparing to the whole plot. But yeah, now it's done. Let's have a look.
Ta-da! So this will become 2 beds.
Yeah, so the plan is to divide it in half, have a small path in the center of it, so we can pretty much like maintain both of them from both sides. So it's gonna be optimized. Yeah, so I know it doesn't look as much, but Jesus Christ, I'm tired. Also, there's another.
Your jacket is so stylish.
Yeah, I'm.
Have you heard about ripped jeans? But this is new rave.
Yeah, this is how it's supposed to
Ripped
be.
jacket.
Ripped. And here's what you've been doing today. This is what she's calling a path. I don't know if you guys play Animal Crossing, but you can do something similar in there. Just put a tile and make the corners around it. So that's pretty much what the inspiration was for this path. Again, this makes the whole plot looks a bit tidier. I think it's elevating the whole plot a little bit more. I don't know.
Yes.
What